Welcome to the amazing world of computers. From the moment you hit the power button, computers can do wonders. They serve as our personal assistants, connect us with the world, and entertain us. But what really goes on inside a computer? In simple terms, a computer is made up of hardware and software. The hardware includes the physical components, such as the keyboard, monitor, and motherboard. The software includes the programs that run on the computer, such as the operating system, word processor, and web browser. But computers are not only for personal use. They are used in various industries such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing to streamline processes and increase efficiency. And as technology continues to advance, so do the capabilities of computers. From virtual reality to artificial intelligence, the possibilities are endless. So next time you turn on your computer, take a moment to appreciate the incredible machine before you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.